What is a mesothelioma lawyer? Mesothelioma lawyers are professionals with experience getting financial compensation for asbestos victims. People may also hear them referred to as asbestos lawyers or asbestos attorneys. The best asbestos lawyers use their expertise to litigate cases on behalf of their clients. Image of scales of justice in a lawyer's office. People who develop mesothelioma can contact an asbestos attorney. Attorneys work with asbestos victims to explore their legal options. Victims may be able to file mesothelioma lawsuits, asbestos trust fund claims and other types of claims. As part of their service, attorneys help people identify possible sources of asbestos exposure. Many people were exposed to asbestos on the job. Mesothelioma lawyers have experience identifying responsible asbestos companies and holding them liable. Experienced lawyers can also help pinpoint exposure for people who aren't sure where or when their asbestos contact occurred. Asbestos attorneys work on behalf of their clients throughout the legal process. They build a case, file lawsuits and claims, negotiate mesothelioma settlements and argue cases at trial. They are dedicated to getting mesothelioma patients and their families the money and justice they deserve. Qualities of an experienced asbestos lawyer. Asbestos lawyers are available to help get financial compensation. Qualified attorneys at top asbestos law firms have decades of experience. The best mesothelioma lawyers combine legal knowledge with compassion and care. These lawyers know how a mesothelioma diagnosis affects a person. They work to make the lawsuit process as easy as possible for their clients. This leaves mesothelioma patients time for treatment and to spend with their loved ones. Why should you hire a mesothelioma lawyer? Patients and their families can hire mesothelioma lawyers to handle their lawsuits and claims. These lawyers dedicate their practice to providing legal help to asbestos victims. They have the expertise needed to secure compensation from asbestos companies. They can explain legal options, build strong cases and litigate on behalf of their clients. Questions to ask a mesothelioma attorney. It is common for mesothelioma patients and family members to have a lot of questions. A qualified attorney understands a mesothelioma lawsuit may be a person's first experience with the legal system. Experienced mesothelioma attorneys are prepared to answer any questions their clients may have. Asbestos victims may wonder what questions to ask during a consultation. They may want to consider asking the following questions to learn more about a law firm's experience handling asbestos cases. Does your firm specialize in mesothelioma litigation? How can I identify the right asbestos company to file against if I do not know where I was exposed? How is your legal team compensated for your services? How long does a mesothelioma lawsuit take? How much does it cost to file a lawsuit? What are some examples of successful